My name is Stephen McCormack. I'm Managing Director of McCormack Family Farms. We're a baby leaf and fresh herb supplier based in County Meath, established since 1984. Obviously my dad started this very small 1 acre, 2 acre plots. We all worked on the farm. My mother, my 2 younger brothers were the same. We'll see what happens with my own kids.
Our original business was hardcore turnip, cabbage, broccoli.
All I wanted to do was grow.
Stephen then introduced the baby leaf spinach.
We're still learning every day. It was all about colour, taste. Today it's totally different. Today we're doing 600 acres. It's all about healthy eating.
It's a very niche business at the end of the day in what we do. It's very hands-on.
Everything we do is unwashed. We don't wash our product.
From field to pack to store to your plate.
Unwashed does give you a longer shelf life. There's less damage done to the leaves. There's no water being used, there's no chlorine being used, because we're bringing it straight from the field, literally to a bag. And day 3, day 4 of the shelf life is still as good as the day they bought it.
Then we have a great team behind us inside that makes the wheels go round and get the stuff outside the door. Because the product has already proven how good it is. Everything is Go Green.
We're all doing little things, reducing the amount of plastic we use in a pack, trying to buy it more local. For all our trays, it's all recycled plastic. Because growers are passionate about what they do. You have to love it. You have to love it. It's about people knowing who McCormack Farms are, that we are a family business, we are based in County Meath, and family businesses are very important in this country. Yes, we're very proud of what we do, we work very hard, and the effort we put in to grow good produce. We know what we do. We love what we do. I believe we're good at what we do.
We won't talk about the hard work that's in it to get it on the shelf. The passion behind that they don't see in the packaging is what made McCormack Farms.